Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to download the Facebook app on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now in order to download the Facebook app on your phone, first open up the Play Store, and after that at the top of the screen you can see there is the magnifying glass icon. Tap over there and type in Facebook and tap on search. And over here guys, you can see there is the Facebook option available for us. For me guys, I have already installed the Facebook, so it's showing me the open button available over here guys. But in case for you, if you have not downloaded and installed the Facebook app, there will be the download and button available or install button available for you. Tap on there and the app will be downloaded and installed on your phone. And after that, similar kind of interface where it says the open will be available, and tap on open. And after that, a login panel will be shown to you where you can either create an account or log into your existing account. And guys, this is how you download the Facebook app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.